$20 million. One car, one owner, and you will never see it for sale. This is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, the black car, the most expensive new car ever sold to a private individual, and arguably the most significant automobile created in the last 50 years. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what $20 million buys and why the person who paid it got a bargain. Heritage, the Type 57 SC Atlantic connection. To understand the La Voiture Noire, you have to go back to 1936. The Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. 4 were ever built. 1 is lost to history. The remaining 3 are collectively valued at over $500 million. The Atlantic is widely considered the single most beautiful car ever designed. Jean Bugatti, son of founder Ettore, designed it, and the La Voiture Noire is a direct tribute, a modern reinterpretation of that car's spirit, its proportions, and its singular dorsal spine running from nose to tail. This is not nostalgia. This is a bloodline. The La Voiture Noire's body is entirely hand-formed carbon fiber. Every panel, every surface, every curve shaped by hand in Molsheim over the better part of 3 years. The front is long, dramatically long, a bonnet that stretches forward with the confidence of something that has no need to be compact. The headlights are a single razor slash of light. The dorsal spine runs the full length of the car. And the rear, 6 exhaust pipes, not 2, not 4, 6, emerging symmetrically from the rear diffuser like the exhaust of something that has just crossed the atmosphere. It is the most dramatic rear end on any road car ever. Under that bonnet sits Bugatti's 116, 16 cylinders, 4 turbochargers, 1,500 horsepower, and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds, a top speed electronically limited to 261 miles per hour, though the engineers quietly acknowledge the chassis is built for more. This is not just an engine, it is a statement, one that Bugatti will never build again. The W16 era is ending. The La Voiture Noire may be the last great expression of it. Inside, the cabin was designed entirely around one person's preferences. We do not know who. We know only that Bugatti spent months in conversation with the owner before a single interior component was specified. Hand-stitched leather, machined aluminum surfaces finished by hand. The Bugatti DNA visible in every detail, but expressed in a way that exists nowhere else on Earth. There is no production version of this interior. There is no option list. There is one car, one owner, and one set of decisions that will never be repeated. The owner. Bugatti has never officially confirmed the owner's identity, but reports from multiple sources point towards Cristiano Ronaldo, a man with the financial capacity, the automotive passion, and the history with Bugatti. He has owned multiple Chirons to make this purchase entirely credible. Whether it is Ronaldo or not, the owner paid $20 million for a car that will never be duplicated, never be surpassed as a one-off Bugatti commission, and never depreciate. They did not buy a car, they acquired a permanent piece of automotive history. Closing verdict. $20 million, one W16, 6 exhausts, 3 years of hand labor, a direct bloodline to the most beautiful car ever built, and one owner who will never need to justify it to anyone. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is not the most expensive car because Bugatti wanted to break a record. It is the most expensive car because there is simply nothing else like it, and there never will be. If this video gave you something, leave a like and subscribe. We cover the most extraordinary machines ever built every week.